Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign IRCC PDF forms. You must accurately complete every section of the form, ensuring all details are correct. Next, you will validate the document to ensure no information is missed, preparing it for submission. Finally, you will apply your electronic signature, then save and correctly upload the completed document. This structured process helps ensure your application is processed smoothly and efficiently. You must download forms directly from the official Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada website. This ensures you have the most current version available. Crucially, open these forms only with Adobe Acrobat Reader, version 10 or newer. Using a web browser or other PDF software can cause errors, leading to issues with your application. Always verify your software before beginning. Carefully fill in all required fields on your downloaded form. Take your time to ensure accuracy in every single entry. Once completed, locate and click the Validate button, usually found at the top or bottom of the document. This step automatically checks for missing information and generates the necessary barcodes, which are essential for processing your application. Do not skip this important step. After successful validation, navigate to the signature box on your form. This specific area is where you will electronically sign the document. Simply type your full legal name exactly as it appears on your official identification. Typing your name into this designated field serves as your official electronic signature for all IRCC purposes. No actual drawing or digital certificate is typically required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.